Hi, I'm Daphne Richards, and this is Augie. Our question this week is from Scott Jones about his 4-year-old Monterey oak. It seems healthy, but recently he's noticed that the bark is peeling off. Scott points out that there are several black holes on the trunk, though some of the black is pruning paint. The new buds are hard with black tips. Plus, the tree hasn't produced as much new growth, just leafed out on existing growth. We checked with certified arborist April Rose, who gave us some great info. The tree looks very healthy based on the photos, and the peeling bark looks typical for that species at that age. Monterey oaks, like live oaks, start with fairly smooth bark, then develop texture as they age. The holes look like the location of an old twig that was pruned at a very young age. Monterey oaks, also known as Mexican white oaks, are semi-evergreen to evergreen, meaning that if they drop their leaves, they do so in the early spring, just before they put on their first flush of new growth. With such a cold winter last year, most Monterey oaks in central Texas haven't leafed out yet, so last year's leaves and twigs may look a bit unkempt and unhealthy, but that's really nothing to worry about just yet, and April recommends applying compost annually, maintaining 3 inches of mulch to drip line or further, and watering deeply as needed. Our plant of the week is purple Thai basil, a great addition to any herb lover's garden with its spicy anise flavor. Plant as with other herbs in well-drained soil and full sun. In most gardens, Thai basil will be an annual, needing to be replaced each year. But in warmer climates with mild winters, it may be perennial, getting as tall as 18 inches and not quite as wide. Thai basil is pretty compact. When harvesting, be sure to leave at least 6 inches of the plant for recovery and new growth, and be careful when watering to avoid the leaves, which will rot if they stay wet. Our viewer picture comes from Melissa Vasquez in Orlando. Her gorgeous agave just started blooming and is growing a foot a day. We really love getting your pictures and videos to show off your plants, projects, wildlife, and problems. Here's how to do it. Shoot in landscape format on your phone or camera, not vertical. Also, shoot at the largest size on your phone or camera. It's important to watch your lighting and to be in focus. Go online to klru.org/ctg to send them our way. We'll be watching.